Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the new episode. I am Kosha, your host and friend. A new episode today is with Mr. Sudeep Nagarkar. Wait. First of all, I would like to pinch myself just to prove that this is not a dream, and I'm literally online with the romance king of world. Like SRK is romance king in Bollywood, he is romance king in words. So I literally, sir, you are a youth icon and the romance writer. It's like a fan moment for me to be online with you conversing. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
I on behalf of Ahmedabad Book Club and Kirma Foundation, I welcome all my viewers and to the sir to the session of known as Speculum of Religion and Romance Word. We will wait for a moment for Sudip sir to join us back, and then we shall continue. He is a fiction writer in the romance genre, and he has written 12 novels, all fiction and in the romance genre. So he's known as a king of romance and a youth icon because majority of his viewers are between the age of 16 to 26. Welcome, sir, again. I was just briefing my viewers a little bit about
Hello.
you. Yes, sir, we can hear you.
I'm not able to hear you properly. मतलब
Okay,
आवाज आ रही है बट बहुत कम आ रही है.
okay. Is it okay now?
A little better. Yeah.
Okay. So I was just briefing my viewers about you that Sudip sir has written 12 novels, of which all are of fiction and romance genre, and of which first two, that is A Few Things Left Unsaid, and That's the Way We Met, is based on his personal experience. Uh, Quitting IT job for being a full-time writer definitely
Yeah.
had lots of opposition from his home. But on the other hand, Forbes India bestowed upon him top 100 influential celebrities of India of 2014. He is recipient of Young Achievers Award for writing three best-selling novel genre back to back, and best romance author. He has written script for Marathi shows and developed concepts and stories for Indian cinemas, that is Sony TV and Colors channel. Apart from writing, he is motivational speaker at various institute and organization, and he is an avid reader as well as music lover and young at heart and age. He has achieved a lot at this age. So really fortunate enough and a fan moment to have you, sir, today and conversing with you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for such a lovely introduction.
Yeah. Uh, okay, first of all, youth icon, a romance writer, and living a fairy tale love story yourself. Okay, engineer MBA. So, was it engineering or love during the time of engineering that made you write in this romance genre?
There's so many times like I have told this thing, but then to be really frank, when I was in my early days of college or even during my school days, I was never interested in writing. मुझे ऐसे लिखने में भी बहुत दिक्कत हो जाती थी कि हाउ शुड आई गो अहेड एंड राइट दोस 250 वर्ड essay or a 500 word essay. I was not at all into writing, but then there were some experiences that I faced during my engineering days. I had a couple of year drops in engineering, then my breakups and all those things. So during that phase, when I was so depressed and I had literally cut off myself from the entire world, उस टाइम पे आई रेड समवेयर ऑनलाइन दैट राइटिंग कैन प्रोबेबली हेल्प यू इन कमिंग आउट ऑफ डिप्रेशन एंड इफ यू कैन जस्ट convey the thoughts through some medium, then it will help you to be on track once again in your life. So I started writing my personal diary during that time. और उस टाइम पे मेरे अंदर जितनी भी फ्रस्ट्रेशन थी इंजीनियरिंग को लेके, बिकॉज आई नेवर वांटेड टू डू इंजीनियरिंग इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस, तो मैंने सारी फ्रस्ट्रेशन उसमें निकाली हुई है. एंड इवन टुडे इफ यू रीड फ्यू थिंग्स लेफ्ट अनसेड, you will see that a lot of a frustrated engineer had written that book, and you can literally imagine those things when you read that few things left unsaid. और उसमें I was so frustrated कि मेरे कॉलेज के जो प्रोफेसर्स हैं जिनके बारे में मैंने उस बुक में जिक्र किया है, मैंने उनके नाम तक चेंज नहीं किए हुए हैं. So you see, when the book got released, see, I had no clue that this book will work in the market. It will be a bestseller and it will be the most talked book of 2011. I had no clues about these things. So when the book released, or obviously my college friends, then my professors started getting to know about this book. और जब उन्होंने भी वो बुक पढ़ी, they were reading their own names and this guy throwing all the frustration. So it was so funny that for the next 1 year I was not even allowed to come in college. So that was a thing. And I was lucky enough कि मुझे कोई बैक नहीं लगा था उस टाइम पे. I had just appeared for my final year exams. तो internal exams हो चुके थे. अगर internal exams नहीं हुए होते तो शायद मेरी engineering complete ही नहीं होती.
And then why you thought of doing MBA? Then why? Were you interested?
MBA was basically for my own growth. Somewhere, you see what happens is, especially now that we are interacting on Ahmedabad Book Club, there'll be many viewers who would be interested in writing. तो जब मैंने मेरी पहली बुक कंप्लीट की, the book came in market. I had no clue how exactly you need to go ahead and market your book or position your book in market. I had no clue at all. So when I did my engineering, I was working with an IT company for like 6-7 months or almost a year. And at that time, I realized that writing is just one part of this entire process of, you see, the publishing industry. But then the major role comes in when your book is now out in the market and you have to reach out to the readers. तो तब जाके जो है मैंने डिसाइड किया that I'll go ahead and do MBA for my own growth, and so that I can know about this entire industry more in a very much better way. So that was the only way. MBA मैंने job या फिर to get placed in some good company ये thought के लिए कभी भी नहीं किया था.
Achha. So that's why no book on it, right? No frustrating book on MBA. Like you wrote.
MBA, I had a very good experience of MBA. Means like I did my MBA from Wellinger Institute, and you see what happens is जब मैंने MBA किया, I was already 22-23, and during engineering you are still into your teenager phase. You want to break all the boundaries. You want to have that kind of freedom. So you see, वो एक recklessness होता है as a teenager. So that is why also one gets frustrated, because now that I say that I didn't want to do engineering, that's completely fine. But then अगर उस टाइम पे मुझे कोई बोलता कि ठीक है engineering नहीं करना है, that's fine, तो और क्या करना है? But मुझे वो और क्या करना है वो भी नहीं पता था. I had no dreams, I had no focused goals as such. Like every other teenager, I was also नहीं, जो कर रहा हूँ वो नहीं करना है, लेकिन दूसरा कुछ करने बोलूं तो शायद वो भी नहीं करना होता मुझे.
Okay. Generally, it is said that love story should be only one, but as a writer, you have written so many romance stories, so many books with different stories in it. So definitely you have lived those stories. So how do you feel like living different love stories or having different love stories?
I think that's the best part of being a writer, that you get to experience all those love stories, or you feel so connected with your own characters, and somewhere you can live out those fantasies that आप कहीं ना कहीं अपने अंदर जीना चाहते हो, but then because of social norms or because of the kind of personality you are, you are still not able to go ahead and live that kind of life. So you try to portray those things through your characters. So I have also done all these things. Maybe I am not that romantic in real life that I am when I portray myself through my books. So that is how it is. But then that's the best part of being a writer. And that is why this entire writing journey is very beautiful if you enjoy the writing process.
Correct. Once you get frustrated और आप ऐसा सोचने लगो कि नहीं चलो मूड आए तब लिखूंगा या लिखूंगी, then that is not what you are enjoying writing process.
Of course not. And to be really frank, I like to say this thing now that you have come up with this point कि जब मूड आए तब लिखूंगा, या फिर लोग बोलते हैं कि it's a creative field, it's not a 9 to 5 job that I have to write every day. But then if you are not disciplined in your writing, even if it's a creative field, you will feel lost. The motivation goes away, the competitive spirit inside you goes away. So that shouldn't be the case. Even if you are a full-time writer, even if you are planning to write your first book, it shouldn't be the case कि आज मेरा मन नहीं है तो I'll not write. Even if it's for like 200 words or 500 words, you should pen down something. Maybe you will write crap. Maybe the next day when you will read that thing, you will feel that I have to delete these things and this is not working. But then to just keep yourself in that groove, it is quite important to just be focused. And this is something that MBA has taught me. Or agar I wouldn't have done MBA, then to meet goals, to be focused, ये सारी चीजें नहीं आती. I would have been also like publishing one book in a couple of years or 3 years or 4 years. But then for that matter, I am focused, I am disciplined, and that is why I could write 12 books in like 9 years. Otherwise, it wouldn't have happened.
Correct, correct. Yeah. Even I'm an MBA, so I know the discipline.
So you can understand those emotions in a very better way, how important it is to keep your name rolling in the market, and at the same time, be creative enough, because now that all are love stories. So you see, हर एक love story भी अगर आप पढ़ो, they are way different from the previous one that I have wrote. Like if you read It Started With a Friend Request, that is way different from Sorry You're Not My Type, which is again way different from You're the Password to My Life, or probably Stand By Me, which was my last book. So being creative at the same time being focused is tremendously difficult and a pressure that you have to cope in. Otherwise, you'll not be able to survive.
Sir, we have a message from Ajitab sir that you are his inspiration mentor and he is your highest fan. Please take his name once during the session.
So I have been always I am always fond of Ajitab. I know him personally. We have met in Delhi, and we are in a communicating terms. So this guy is someone, means I really love him, and the way he admires me is something that keeps me motivated. And you see, when you are in such creative field of writing, you need such people who can keep motivating you, who can keep admiring your work, and at the same time tell you that कहाँ पे क्या गलतियां भी हो रही है. So you see, such people are needed besides you, so that you can be focused.
Correct, honest and raw, जो आपको opinion दे, where you need
Right,
those
right.
people.
Who means like there are few people who will just keep on buttering you. Even if I write shit, they'll just say नहीं आपने कितना अच्छा लिखा हुआ है. But then अगर आप सिर्फ उन्हीं लोगों के साथ रहोगे, तो कहीं ना कहीं you will get lost, and the originality in you will get lost. So that shouldn't be the case.
Ajitab sir, even we are your fans, and thank you for joining the session. So next question is, I have heard you saying that small lies or hiding some part from your partner when you are in relation is okay, but shouldn't it be other way?
I mean, it totally depends. Yeah, means like, see, problem tab hota hai when you try to get into the space of each other. And if you want to have that space, and if you're okay with that thing, now I'll just share my experience. I was in a long distance relationship with Jasmine, my wife, and she was in Delhi, I was in Mumbai. And during weekends, I used to go for night outs with my friends. And मैं उसको बोल देता था कि मैं सो गया हूँ. अब मुझे अगर मैं बताऊं भी सही बात, तो शील फील दैट मतलब कहीं ना कहीं वो एक डर बना रहेगा कि ये रात को बाहर निकला हुआ है, she'll feel scared about those things, she'll feel worried about those things. So instead I just tell her a very small lie that I'm sleeping and I'm going out with my friends. The next day nobody knows that I was out of my house and I have enjoyed like for the whole night, and there's no harm also in that. It's because even I don't want her to get worried that or to be in that tensed situation for the entire night and to harm her own sleep. So that is why these such kind of lies are still okay. I'm not telling you to just go ahead and have an affair with someone and tell a lie. That's not the case. You have to be loyal, you have to trust each other. But then ये छोटी छोटी चीजें जो है, if something is happening for good, it's completely fine, there's no harm in it.
This small things are base of arguments, unnecessary arguments, which stretches and
Of
then
course.
uh,
So it's always better to avoid those arguments, right? Means like which are not gonna land up anywhere. तो अब उसके लिए अगर आप छोटा मोटा इधर उधर झूठ बोल दो तो I think it's completely fine.
don't tell the entire truth. I would prefer to say that way. ओके सर, बचपन से हमें सिखाया जाता है टू सेलिब्रेट आवर विन। लाइक
Hmm.
बचपन में जब ये लिखना आ गया था तो हमें टीचर स्टार्ट दे देती कि ओके
Yeah, yeah.
पापा यूज टू से इतने मार्क्स आए तो ये गिफ्ट लाके दूंगा, बट वी आर नेवर taught हाउ टू एक्सेप्ट व्हेन वी लूज और व्हाट टू डू व्हेन वी लूज। So
Hmm.
this is the reason that when we grow up in our society, where generally adults cannot accept rejections or cannot accept failure. So is
Hmm.
this the thing about the crimes that happen, like suicide hai, acid attacks hai, which are so many going on, you know? So at times
Yeah.
we think that can love be this destructive, be it self or for your partner? Can love be
Hmm.
that destructive?
So you see, it's like things have been like this since like ages. There's no problem in celebrating victory. But at the same time, if someone is failing, so what happens is everybody suddenly around you start complaining, cursing, giving advices. At that time, when I am down and I am depressed about life, or I am getting continuous rejections or failure, I don't want advices at that time. I want someone who can understand my pain and be with me during that time. See, when I had a breakup during my engineering, I had a couple of year drops. Matlab, there were so many people at that time who used to tell me to move on, to accept things. तो उन लोगों को क्या लगता है, मुझे पता नहीं था कि this is the right way. I obviously knew that I have to move on. I obviously knew that I have to cope up with the failures and I have to think beyond that thing. But then at that particular time, I'm not able to think about it. I'm depressed. I don't want to probably think about the larger picture of the life. So don't give me advices during that time. I want someone who can stay with me, who can calm me down and say that it's okay to fail and there's nothing harm in it. मतलब 2 साल मेरे लाइफ के अगर खराब हुए हैं तो my life is not over. There'll be friends of mine who will probably get placed in a good company a couple of years before me. Till the time I am earning 1 lakh per month, they might be earning 3 lakhs per month. There's no harm in that thing. What is wrong in that perspective? It's completely fine. And means like this rat race is gonna land up nowhere. It's gonna take you nowhere. At the end of the day, you have to judge yourself and what makes you happy. Like when I took this decision of being a full-time writer, there were so many people who were like, you have done your engineering, you have done your MBA, and now why are you not taking up a good job which can give you a handsome package? Why do you want to still struggle in your life and take writing full time? कितने लोग थे जो मुझे समझाते थे, like till probably 2015 2016, there were so many people. But then I was okay with that kind of life. I was okay if I was getting paid less. And to understand these things is very important. So as a person, you have to understand where exactly you see yourself. अगर उसमें कोई आप किसी से कमी रह रहे हो या किसी के पीछे रह रहे हो, that's not important. Important is 2016 में मैं जहां पे हूं, I am better than what I was in 2013 and 2014. Everybody has his own graph of life, everybody has his own path of life, and it's completely fine. मीन्स लाइक अगर आप जो है लोकल ट्रेन को राजधानी के स्पीड से नहीं भगा सकते हो, एक्सीडेंट तो होगा ही ना फिर. इट कैन नॉट हैपन. But then there is a purpose of local train also to exist in this creation, right? So that is something that one needs to understand. अगर ये चीजें आपके दिमाग में है, तो I don't think so you need doctors to cure depression. If one individual understand these things, that it's completely okay to fail. I'm not telling you to celebrate failure. That will be wrong
No,
again. But then
but we
you should introspect your own failures कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ है and what will be the next thing in your life. Because see, life, death, everything, nobody is going to be permanent around you, right? My parents are also not going to be with me forever. So
yes,
अगर किसी की डेथ हो रही है, कोई मुझे छोड़ के जा रहा है, I cannot just be depressed about that thing for my entire life. My life has to move on. My life has to have its own graph. और उसके लिए I think probably Corona is the best time for you when there is this lockdown to introspect your own life, because we were so busy in all the day-to-day things that we had actually forgot to give ourselves the time. कब जाके जो है आपने इतना टाइम खुद को दिया था इसके पहले. But then now these things are happening, so I think this is the best time to introspect your own lives.
बट यार ऑल्सो पीपल कंप्लेन कि घर पे अच्छा नहीं लगता. यार पूरी जिंदगी तुमने वो घर कमाने में लगा दी, घर बनाने
No, you
में
see,
लगा दी.
such kind of people will never be happy in their own lives. जब ऑफिस होता था तो these people were like कि छुट्टी नहीं मिल रही, अब इतनी छुट्टी मिली हुई है तो ऑफिस जाना है. So you'll just keep on cribbing. So there is no end to it. Somewhere you have to be satisfied जो है उसमें. Otherwise, how will you work?
बचपन से ही हमें आई एम सॉरी ऐसा सिखाया जाता है ना कि उससे तुम्हें कम मार्क्स क्यों आए, उससे तुम ये so that is where that rat race or that competition should end somewhere, rather than teaching that you should be taught कि अच्छा तुमने लास्ट एग्जाम में इतने मार्क्स आए थे, इस टाइम तुम्हें ये आए, so you are improving or you are not improving.
So you see, this is the main reason. I'll just give you an example of this. I loved Chichore more than Three Idiots for this simple reason. Three Idiots, though they have showcased that this should be the case, this should be the case, but eventually your main actor is still Rancho, who is excellent in everything. And Chichore taught you the same thing, that it's okay to fail. And when I watched that movie, there were so many people who said, यार end में this loser tag जो है इनका, ये हट जाना चाहिए था, and there should be the winners. But then if that would have been the case, the entire plot of the movie would have gone wrong. And it shouldn't happen, right? So you see, it's okay to fail sometimes, and there is nothing wrong in it. Means like somewhere you need to analyze your own life. छोटी छोटी चीजों में भी वही खुशियां है, and you need to realize those things.
हम लोग वो ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं अपनी रेगुलर
लाइफ में. Of course.
From this gives me another question that हम ऐसा बोलते हैं कि किसी के जाने से लाइफ रुक जाती है, या there is someone who makes you live your life fully. If that is true, shouldn't it be you yourself rather than someone else? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं खुद के लिए I make myself live life fully rather than someone else making me live life.
See, someone making you happy is fine, लेकिन अपने लाइफ का रिमोट कंट्रोल उसके हाथ में देना is a problem. If that other person who is making you happy, who is giving you everything you want, and you completely give control of your life to that person, and not realizing in that relationship phase that you have lost yourself in this particular relationship, your own identity is lost, then there is a problem. Because when that person will eventually move on in his or own life, then you will feel that you are nowhere, and the purpose of living has suddenly disappeared, has vanished, and you are on no man's land. So that shouldn't be the case. If someone is making you happy, it's fine. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि your entire life of 60-70 years you can live alone. You need someone along with you who can give you that kind of love, give you that kind of validation that one needs in her or her own life. If that validation is not there, then failure, success will have no meaning.
Hmm.
Success is see, if you are successful, but then if you don't have anyone to celebrate that success, तो उस success का मतलब ही क्या रह जाएगा? There is someone out there in your life who is giving you that validation that you are successful, right? अगर वही नहीं है, अगर मैं अपने आप को like see, uh, there can be two sides of this coin. uh, there'll be someone who can tell me that okay, 12 books आपने लिखे हुए हैं, few are successful, few are not, but then still I don't think so that I've reached that point of success. ऐसे भी लोग होंगे जो बोलेंगे, and at the same time I'll be like, I've written 12 books, I am happy in whatever I'm doing, and at the end of the day, when I'm about to sleep, I can afford a smile on my face. I'm successful. There are so many people who are earning in lakhs and crores, but they cannot afford a smile before going to sleep. Then is that a success for that particular person? It's not. So totally depends upon the perspective that you have, right?
बट ऐसे में हम खुद को भूल जाते हैं इन लिविंग दैट
एग्जैक्टली, वो
लव.
नहीं होना चाहिए ना.
हाँ, वो नहीं होना चाहिए कि खुद को क्यों भूल जाते हो. लेट फर्स्ट लव बी विथ योरसेल्फ, देन विथ
Of
एनीवन
course.
एल्स.
See,
या.
if you don't love yourself, how will you love someone else? You will never love someone else. If you just keep on putting filters on your face, masks on your face, just because you have to showcase someone on social media or that social pressure, तो कहीं ना कहीं you will get lost. And if you are lost, you are depressed, you cannot love someone else in the same particular manner that you could have if you would have been real. So that is how it is. But then the sad fact is people have started living their real lives on virtual world on social media, and their real life doesn't exist anymore.
Correct, correct. We forget that. Sir, we
Yeah.
have one more viewer, Mr. Author Antar Atreya. Vivek, can you please pop up that comment again? Vivek? Uh, okay, when it pops up again, I'll tell you the question.
No
That
problem.
question. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
here it is.
So good to see you with someone like Sudip Nagarkar, sir. Please say my hi to him. Sir, he wants to
Hi,
say hello.
Atreya. I hope you are in a good state, and I hope you are keeping safe and keep reading books. And I hope you have read my last book also, Stand By Me. If you have not read it, please do read it and recommend it to your friends also.
Correct. Sir, we just talked about how important it is to have, we need a partner. We can't be living 60 to 70 years on our own. But
Yeah.
uh, can we forget love? Due to some natural reason, if someone goes away from us, whatever the reason may be, can love be forgotten? Or can we replace that love?
You mean the past experience of love can be forgotten, kind of like that? Means the
Yeah.
person can be forgotten or not?
Yes, or person can be replaced. Any
No, but
relation,
then
not
see,
the
when
partner.
when you when you get into a particular relationship, you don't sign a contract, or there is nothing legal in that thing, right? And that हो सकता है कि that person might have changed or whatever it is, but then you had given 100% to your relationship. Why do you want to forget that person? You can
Correct.
just be okay with, ठीक है ये मेरा past है. You don't need to forget your past. You just need to learn from it and move on. यही तो, there is some मतलब, you see the upbringing and the way people address the issues, there is a problem.
Correct.
When I'm trying to move on, और मतलब जो भी है, हम लोग बोलते कि यार forget your past, just move on, forget that person, forget. But why should I forget? Why should? Because no matter what, that person might not be with me right now, but then I had my share of happy moments with that person. And it
Agree.
wasn't that मैंने हमेशा जो है सहा ही है, मतलब गलत ही चीजें हुई है मेरे साथ. So taking those happy moments along with you, you can just move on in your life and be happy with where you are. You don't need to forget your past. The past can never ever be forgotten. How can you forget? Can you forget that first experience of holding the hand of that of your parents or your loved one, or probably your first date for that matter? Like, you see, the first experience of mine, seeing my name on the book, the first book, was something which is still unmatched. मैं 12 क्या 100 बुक भी लिख लूं, लेकिन जो पहले बार जब मैंने अपना नाम देखा था अपने बुक के ऊपर, वो एक्सपीरियंस आई कैन नॉट फॉरगेट, एंड मींस लाइक आई कैन नॉट जस्ट रिपीट दोज थिंग्स. वो द फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ गेटिंग अ पब्लिशर, द फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ साइनिंग माय बुक, द फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ मीटिंग अ फैन, ये सारी चीजें जो है, दे आर गुड मोमेंट्स दैट हैज हैपेंड. और अगर मेरे बुक्स सक्सेसफुल नहीं होते, अगर मैं अपना करियर स्विच कर लेता, सो ये तो नहीं होता कि आई शुड फॉरगेट ऑल दोज थिंग्स एंड देन स्टार्ट अ न्यू लाइफ ऑल टुगेदर. आई कैन स्टार्ट अ न्यू लाइफ कीपिंग ऑल दोज मोमेंट्स along with me and cherishing those moments. That's completely fine.
That's completely fine. यही नहीं सिखाया जाता ना हम लोगों को, हम लोग को उल्टा सिखाया जाता.
That's what I said. There is whole lot of problem in the society itself.
Correct. Sir, in our daily life, we form images of people, be it anyone, your partner, husband, wife, neighbor. We form images of even our country, but in that image, then we think and act accordingly. So there is a space between the image and the reality, and that space creates conflict generally. But
Hmm.
and we is it possible to eradicate that space completely inside and outside? We don't understand that space. Actually, we don't understand that we are seeing that person from our own imagination. We are not seeing person as a person or country
Yeah,
as a country.
yeah. So
So
you see, as a human being, you tell me, country exists because human exist, right? Otherwise, किसने boundaries बनाई हैं, किसने क्या किया हुआ है? There's nothing of that sort that exists. Nation exists because of us. A relationship exists because of us. So why would one need to eradicate that space? Rather, if you have an image about that person, be happy with that image, and with that image itself, start living. If you just try to differentiate the you see the minute difference between reality and this image, kahin na kahin aapki relationship will get destroyed. And that is why in the beginning itself I said ki chote mote lies are okay, and to create that image is completely fine. See, you see, as a person also, uh, I am 30 now, and in these 30 years I have evolved as a person. Like what I was during my teenage phase, I am not the same person today. So you see, my
yes,
image has completely been changed. But then, as a person, I have lived those moments also, and I'm living today also. So
no,
why should I probably try to introspect? नहीं यार, वो पहले वाला ही सही था, मुझे वैसे ही रहना पड़ेगा. Or kind of like that. Now I am like that. I cannot be the same person anymore. जो मैं पहले था, I was reckless. I used to drive at 120 kilometer per speed. I used to go on biking and all those things. But then now I have responsibilities and I understand life in a better way. I cannot be the same person. I cannot
right,
just change my image. So you see,
right,
who are we to create, means like, to understand the reality and what the image is. हमें नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा, और ये शायद कभी भी नहीं मालूम पड़े. And that is the beauty of living, right? Because if you have that kind of image of a person, then it's completely fine. It's totally fine. Now that I'm, you see, there's whole lot of past between you and me also. अहमदाबाद बुक क्लब के साथ लाइव जाना कोई एक सीधी बात तो मतलब थी नहीं. अहमदाबाद बुक क्लब हैज हेल्प्ड मी अ लॉट when I was in Ahmedabad during book launches. So you see, there is a cordial relationship between Ahmedabad Book Club and me, and that is the only reason that I said yes in one go. I didn't have to think twice. But then you see, I had an image of Ahmedabad Book Club, right? अब मैं उसमें रियलिटी ढूंढने जाऊं, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करूं, क्यों करनी है ये सब चीजें? बी हैप्पी विद वट एवर इट इज यार. व्हाई डू यू वांट टू जस्ट क्रिब अबाउट एवरीथिंग?
correct. Okay. It says love is not easy, and no one can teach you how to love. Okay. If love was that easy, there would have been no war, no differences between rich and poor. Everything would be friendly. Everyone would have been friendly. At the same time, hate comes very easily. Okay, but the thing is that we should observe hate. We should just let it be, just drop it. It's not important, and important is that hate should not go into your roots. Tell us your views
Hmm.
on it, sir.
Of course, it is. Hate is obviously a negative emotion, and love is something. Matlab, be it any kind of relationship, a father-son relationship, a mother-daughter relationship. So love exists, and somewhere you need to understand as a person that whatever it is means like the relationship that you have is pure. You have given 100% in that relationship, and just because the person changed or his or her emotions changed doesn't mean that love is wrong over here, right? The person changed, it's completely fine, but that the emotions of love that you had are still the same, and you can still love someone in the same fashion, and that's completely fine. और अगर दो शब्दों में लव को बयां किया जा सकता था तो मेरी 12 बुक थोड़ी ना मैं लिखता एक ही टॉपिक पे. It wouldn't have been the same case, and I'm so happy that love is still this. Love is something which there are so many people who when I go to events they ask me, sir, please define love. I am no one to define love over there. How can I define love? There is no fixed definition of it. Everyone has his or her own perception about love and the way he consumes that emotion in her. So it totally depends upon that. And that is why we human beings are so different from each other, because our emotions are not same. But then yes, if hatred gets over your head, then कुछ नहीं
There's
होगा. एकता कपूर के सीरियल ही बनेंगे फिर उसके बाद और कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
so you have written like conceptualized things for Sony and Colors TV, right? So what are
Yeah.
kind of shows, romantic shows you have conceptualized,
So I
and
used to
how?
develop concepts for them. I was ghostwriting, and at the
Guess he went suddenly offline. We'll have to just wait for a few seconds for him to come back again. So sorry that my viewers, that was an interesting conversation going on about how that love cannot be defined, because love is an eternal feeling, or love is the feeling above everything. Welcome back, sir.
Hello? Yeah. Yes, yes.
Yeah, I was just telling my viewers that love cannot be defined, and love is the feeling above every feeling. Like it's an eternal feeling. You cannot define it. No one can define
Of
it,
course.
and it cannot be taught. Say it. And sir, like opposites attract. It's a nature's rule, right? Uh,
Yeah.
but is it necessary that to change for that person when you are in a relation? How far it is
See,
okay?
it's a very complicated thing again. And see, changing totally is wrong, but then not changing even a bit is also wrong. If two people have to be together, कहीं ना कहीं किसी को तो compromise करना पड़ेगा. कहीं ना कहीं मतलब be it anything for that matter. Now like if I don't like now like after marriage I'm saying कि now if my wife is cooking food और मुझे वो सब्जी पसंद नहीं है, but then she likes it, so I have to compromise on that thing and I have to like be okay with it, right? I may or may
Correct.
not eat it. That's completely my choice. But then just to tell her to not make that vegetable itself is totally wrong. That shouldn't be the case. So kahin na kahin that compromise has to be there if two people are living in one space, because you are two different personalities, and if you are together, so you have to compromise somewhere to make your relationship last. Otherwise, then if you are just okay with your living your, it's like if you're okay living in your own ego, then how can you survive in a relationship? आप एक
Yeah.
नहीं 4 बार रिलेशनशिप में भी जाओ लेकिन फिर भी आपको वही दिक्कतें आएगी.
Yeah.
तो ये तो नहीं हो सकता. Even see, because we are individuals, it's fine, but then we are living in a society. We are bounded by a community, and when you are living in a society, when you are bounded in a community, you have to follow some set of rules. And if you are not following it, then who are you? Then you are maybe an animal living in a jungle. You are a human being, and if that is why you are disciplined, you know the etiquettes of living, you know why you exist in this creation. So all those things are necessary, otherwise how will you survive? And I'm not saying just about your partner. When you're with your parents also, you need to have some kind of boundaries, you need to have some kind of etiquettes, right? If you are not following that, and if you are not compromising on that thing, then how are you going to survive with your parents also? That's not going to
Right.
happen. So every relationship needs some kind of compromise.
But sir, then we tend to, as a human, we tend to forget that thin line, compromise and changing yourself or your
Can you hear
identity.
me? Your voice isn't clear.
Uh, am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello. Okay. So, sir,
Yeah, yeah,
sometimes
yeah.
in a relation, we tend to forget that thin line. Compromise
Hmm.
for a few things is okay, but then we start expecting that opposite person will change completely and live as per us, which is also wrong.
Hmm.
कहीं ना कहीं वो thin
Of
line
course.
हम cross करते
Of course, that's what I'm telling you. Like ये तो बिल्कुल ही गलत है. जो मैंने एग्जांपल दिया कि अगर मैं उसको वो सब्जी बनाने से ही मना करूं और वही बनाने बोलूं जो मुझे पसंद है, तो आई एम जस्ट एंटरिंग इनटू दैट स्पेस दैट आई शुडंट एंटर. It's up to
हैं.
me
Correct.
whether I can eat it or not. That's completely my choice. But then there has to be some space which is very much necessary, and that is why means like getting into each other's nerves will land up nowhere. कहीं ना कहीं if और इसीलिए मैं पहले भी वही कह रहा था कि कहीं ना कहीं छोटी मोटी चीजें होती है जो आर्ग्यूमेंट क्रिएट करती है. वो आर्ग्यूमेंट अगर क्रिएट ना हो तो इट्स ओके. इट्स लाइक things can happen. When I go to Delhi, when I was in Delhi, means like when we were in a long distance relationship. So when I was in Delhi, I befriended her friends also. So her friends also are very good friends of mine. So we are
Yes.
living in a one very good circle. So there are no complexities, there is no jealousy, there is no insecurity itself. So
Yes.
I was very good friends with her friends. So even I
Hmm.
was okay if she's going out on a night out with her friends, male friends,
Correct.
female friends. I was completely okay because I know that person. I
Hmm.
trust my girlfriend. I trust my person. So it's completely
Your
fine.
partner.
So कहीं ना कहीं वो होना चाहिए.
सही है. सर, इसमें से मुझे एक और क्वेश्चन याद आ रहा है कि योर बुक
Hmm.
सॉरी यू आर नॉट माय टाइप has three best friends, two boys and
Yeah.
one girl. Okay, but in our society, kahin na kahin, the way you said, your partner has male and female friends, you have male and
Hmm.
female friends, but kahin na kahin, abhi bhi hamari society male and female relationship ko normally nahi leti. That male
Hmm.
and female can be just friends, you know. So what do you say about it?
It's totally wrong to blame society for it. I'm quite sure कि there'll be many viewers also जो देख रहे हैं, they also will not be okay with it. कहीं ना कहीं आप भी okay नहीं हो आपके गर्लफ्रेंड के मेल फ्रेंड्स होने से, या आपके गर्लफ्रेंड is also not okay because you have female friends. So if you don't change yourself, how will society change? That's not going to happen. And then there is whole lot of Bollywood lobby who has always showed you कि एक लड़का और लड़की कभी दोस्त हो ही नहीं सकते. So
Ye nahi
there
sab.
comes a problem, right? Because we are a society which is very much influenced by visuals, be it web series, be it movies, be it books, anything for matter. हम जो चीजें अपने आप में consume कर रहे हैं, the kind of content that we are consuming, we are that kind of a person. If I'm wearing this T-shirt today, it's not because I loved it. कहीं ना कहीं मेरे उस चॉइस के पीछे भी एक पास्ट रहा है. कहीं ना कहीं मैंने कहीं वो चीजें देखी होगी, या कहीं ना कहीं किसी को पहनते हुए देखा होगा, और काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट. दैट इज व्हाई आई फील कंफर्टेबल डूइंग इट, एंड दैट इज हाउ इट हैपेंस. सो एवरी टाइम बॉलीवुड हैज शोन यू कि लड़का लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते. दे मेड अ वेरी वेरी गुड मूवी ये जवानी है दीवानी, which showcased such brilliant friendship. लेकिन एंड में
Yes.
दोनों को प्यार हो ही गया उसमें। तो मतलब
हाँ.
आपको प्यार ही दिखाना था तो 3 घंटे क्यों बर्बाद कर दिए, अब पहले ही दिखा
Exactly.
देते थे। So you see that is where the difference comes in. If you, that is why if you read my book, You Are the Password to My Life, that book showcases true friendship. एक लड़का और लड़की दोस्त है उसमें, एंड टिल द एंड दे आर गुड फ्रेंड्स। लड़के को किसी और से प्यार हो जाता है, कहीं ना कहीं
Okay.
फ्रेंडशिप में डिफरेंसेस आते हैं, but they sort out those differences, and the guy gives assurance that even though I'm in a relationship with someone, my chemistry with you as a friend won't change. My equation with you as a friend won't change. And I'll still be the same person. And that is how everyone should be. Because होता ये है कि कहीं ना कहीं when you get into a relationship, you as a person also start try. It's a tendency, normal tendency that आप भी अपने दोस्तों को भूलने लगते हो। वो आप जो पहले जिस तरीके से आप पहले अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बिहेव करते थे, अब आप वैसे नहीं कर रहे हो। सडनली योर चॉइसेस आर बम्बार्डेड बिकॉज ऑफ योर गर्लफ्रेंड्स और बॉयफ्रेंड चॉइसेस,
हाँ.
एंड सडनली उसका बेस्ट एक्टर आपका बेस्ट एक्टर हो जाता है, उसका बेस्ट ऑथर आपका बेस्ट ऑथर हो जाता है, एंड दैट शुडंट बी द केस। So you have your own
And
individual space that shouldn't be forgotten. So you see, as an individual, you need to change, then the society will change.
we sometimes fail to understand that in a relationship, girlfriend, boyfriend, or husband, wife, or या कुछ भी हो, there is a space which
Yeah,
both require in a relationship. हम कहीं ना कहीं वो भूल जाते हैं और हक
of
जताने
course.
लगते हैं. Yeah.
Yes.
Uh, Ajitab sir has another question for you.
Hmm.
Vivek, please go up that question again. Okay, tell us the choose a favorite book between Few Things Left Unsaid and All Rights Reserved for You. Which is your
Now
favorite?
that's a very difficult question. Well, see, both the love stories are favorite of mine. Few Things Left Unsaid was my first book. So obviously it holds a very special place in my heart. And I have been very clear about it to Jasmine also. Like I had a past, even she had a past, and we are totally okay with that thing. Like we were talking about it. There's absolutely no need to forget your past and just be whatever you are. It's okay to just accept it. So few things left unsaid will always be special. But at the same time, all rights reserved for you will also be special because that was a marriage gift for Jasmine. So you see, so that book will remain special for me. So both the books are very special to me.
Right.
In order to answer your question, there,
Yes, now we can hear you.
yeah, yeah. So I was saying that हम that's the only book जहाँ पे author photograph is not only my photograph, but then I have been placed along with my wife. So obviously that book will be special for me. So both holds
Yes.
equal importance. I just cannot choose one out of it.
जिताब सर आपको अपनी बुक से चूज करने को बोलेंगे, आप चूज कर पाओगे? It's like choosing which is your favorite baby. Okay, from the right, I have another question that generally in relation, we feel ke we have right on the other person, and we somehow, suffocate the other person in the relation.
Hmm.
So, can you tell us your views on it? Hello, are you
See,
there,
that's
Sudip
why
sir?
it means, like I said, like it is necessary to have own space, to have your individual identity, and to have those kind of the trust factor is very important in this thing. अगर वो नहीं है, if you are not happy, then these all things comes into the place. If you are insecure, if all those negative emotions have taken over you, then these things happen. There's nothing much you can do about it. थोड़ा क्राइम पेट्रोल सावधान इंडिया कम देख लो तो things will be sorted in your life. Nothing else.
Okay, you are living a fairy tale love story yourself, you and your wife, Jasmine ma'am. Okay, so any such incident in your life which still gives you goosebump ki how I went through this incident or how did I get through it?
Oh, there are many moments for that matter. There are moments when we had the worst of fights and still we were able to survive. And looking back, I still feel that how were we able to survive those fights? Like when we were about to start a relationship, I had created a fake profile and approached her. So I hadn't given out my true identity online. तो मैंने एक फेक प्रोफाइल बनाई थी तो उसको लग रहा था कि वो उस बंदे से बात कर रही है मैं सुदीप बन के सामने आया ही नहीं था so you see then when she got to know about it I went to Delhi I tried to make her understand that I'm still the same person and all those things so you see surviving that entire episode and getting into this relationship was something that I couldn't believe yeah it happened otherwise I was like कि before even the beginning of this relationship it's going to end but then still things happened and then even for that case the marriage thing like I don't know it's like I've said it many times but then when our marriage got fixed we had no clue that our parents will fix our marriage suddenly we had our tickets booked for Goa in February मेरे बर्थडे पे we generally go to Goa so we had our tickets booked and I suppose in September or October her parents came to my home and मुझे जहां तक पता था कि रोका की बात हो रही है मुझे नहीं पता था कि एंगेजमेंट हो जाएगी तुरंत and suddenly her parents were like we are doing engagement next week and I was like कि what this is not happening और I told Jasmine कि what is this next week engagement मुझे तो कुछ idea ही नहीं है and all those things but then we got over that entire episode also and we did it fantastic it's like we were totally okay with that thing but then you see we were probably imagining being in Goa as a like girlfriend boyfriend but then we were already engaged at that time so looking back about all these episodes it's fun and these are the moments that we live for.
Correct, correct. Any particular word or sentence that you know can which you were using or are using still, which can be called as love signals between you both,
Which create what?
which can be said as a love signal between you both, your own sign language, any word or
As
statement.
I don't think so. But then the only statement that I repeat, I had told it in my last live session also that the only thing that I repeat is मैं कल से सुधर जाऊंगा कल से अब मैं गलती नहीं करूंगा and I keep on repeating the same thing again and again be it like a very small thing but then I just keep on repeating the same sentence again and again and by now I think now she also knows that कि इससे ना हो पाएगा करके
Yes,
yeah.
okay, sir, I have one more question from a viewer that how do you publish a book if uh, not just going, you know, sending your edits or the draft to the publishers and waiting for their reply? Is there any other way?
Hmm. So you see, it's quite important to particularly analyze your publisher first, because as I said, that writing is just a very small part of this entire publishing industry. Getting your book published with someone who can treat you as an asset is very important because it's your work at the end of the day, and you shouldn't pay publishers. Instead, the publishers should pay you because I've seen so many budding authors paying publishers to get their book published. That shouldn't be the case. I can understand the eagerness of getting published, but then wo eagerness mein you shouldn't land up in wrong hands. You should take your own time, analyze the publisher, what deals they are giving, and how are they going to position your book. All these things are very important before going ahead and signing a contract with someone. If somewhere you feel that no, your book won't be available pan India, then you shouldn't go ahead and sign a contract with that publisher. You should wait. It's always
Correct.
better to wait for a good publisher than
Mhm.
rather than giving your best because your first book is something जहाँ पे अपनी आपने पूरी जान लगाई हुई है, आपने अपने सारे एक्सपीरियंस लगाए हुए हैं, you have those moments. So rather than giving it to someone who doesn't deserve, it's better to keep it unpublished than giving it to someone who has screwed it up totally. It's better to keep it unpublished. But then
Correct.
giving it in a wrong hand is totally not someone, which it's not someone I cannot advise this thing.
Okay. Is there anything else you would like our viewers to know?
If someone has not read my last book, Stand By Me, it was a
Yeah.
murder mystery, then I think that you should go ahead. You can order on Amazon, you can order on Crossword, Landmark, Bargain Book Hut, and all the places are giving home deliveries. So this is the best time, I think, to read more and more and to probably introspect your own life. So जितना हो सके उतना पढ़े, not necessarily only my books. You can read any author's books for that matter, but just then
Correct.
keep on reading and help the industry survive.
Correct. And sir, on a parting note, a song which you would dedicate to Jasmine ma'am?
A
Two
song.
lines. Yeah, two lines.
I am not gonna sing, but I can just say
Not
a line that is fine, but I'm not gonna sing. अभी तो लॉकडाउन है, मुझे घर में रहना भी है.
Jasmine ma'am,
So
I
there are
hope
too
that
many songs, too many songs associated. But then, yeah, Two States ka Mast Magan is something. Two States was the first movie that we saw after getting into a relationship. So that movie, that's why holds a special place. And all the songs of that movie I can dedicate to her.
all right. Okay, it was very lovely talking
Thank you. Same
to
here, yeah.
you about and knowing about, romance and yeah, because today's youth are just मतलब इतना वो हो गया ना, love is like a machinery thing for them. So definitely knowing about love, romance, and practical things on it was very nice. On behalf of
Thank you so
Ahmedabad Book
much.
Club Kalyan Foundation, I, Kosha, would really like to thank you for spending time and joining us online. And to all my viewers, you can still put on your queries and comments. We would, I and Sudip sir both would try and revert you back. So, just a last question from Siddhi. If a girl and a boy were best friends before and after some time, when the boy knew that his best friend loves someone else and he says that he loves you, what can a girl what can a girl what girl has to do?
Oh, it's quite complicated. I have to read it again. कौन किसके साथ है?
Okay. Even
If
I
a
got
girl
confused.
and boy
Girl
were
and
best
boy
friends before, after
before.
some time, when he knew that his best friend loved someone else, and he said that he loves you. Okay, see, if a girl loves someone else, then the boy has to accept her decision. There is absolutely no second doubt in this particular case. But then at the same time, you have to tell it in a very delicate way, in a very sensitive manner. Because if you want, that totally depends if you want to continue your friendship. If you want to continue your friendship, then you have to make that person understand in a very sensitive manner. And if he is your best friend, then he has to understand. अगर वो आपका खास दोस्त है और वही नहीं समझ रहा है, then how can
तो
things work?
दूसरा मतलब ही नहीं है.
Exactly.
Okay. Fine. Thank you so much once again, sir. It was pleasure and a fun moment for me
Thank you.
and many of my viewers. It would have been the same, but it was really pleasure talking to you. Thank you once again, and bye bye. Stay safe, everyone. Good day.
Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.